I'm gonna show you what there is inside. Hey, look, I don't know what color is in mine. I'm gonna be very curious. Look, pero look, it's Michael.
Pull it.
You pull it. Hey.
Ay, piano.
Wait, we have to put it more. Wow! I don't know how you do it. How do you? Touch it. Be done. Go to the side, please. Move. Hi, guys.
Welcome back sa aming channel.
Today we have this new vacuum. We have to. I don't open it, guys. I don't.
With us. Okay guys, so for today's video ay mag-a-unbox tayo ng
A new vacuum.
a new robot vacuum cleaner. Yeedi!
This is workaround. We have one. Okay. Hi, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you what there is inside. Hey, look, I don't know what color is in mine. I'm gonna be very curious. Pero look, it's Michael. Okay, la previsión.
Okay, let's I think we need the knife here, baby.
No, sorry.
No, Michael, no. You need the knife here. We need the
Okay.
knife.
Hey, la prendo io.
Ay, yung dalawa guys, lagi nag-aaway. So, ayan guys, medyo matagal-tagal na to sa akin guys, na humahanap lang talaga ako ng time na mag-ano nito kasi super pangit ng weather last time ba, tapos hindi ako makaano kasi super natamad talaga.
Open, Mom. Guys, we take the knife. We're gonna cut. We not can do me and Michael like that is scary with me.
Okay, let's open it.
Remove the I will hold here. I open.
Yeedi vacuum cleaner guys. Okay, come on, let's put this one inside. Michael, over it. Michael, aspect that. No, nasa tapos eh. Okay, hindi ko na. Wait, asura. Hindi ko na. Dai, tira, bye. You pull it.
You pull it. Hey.
Ay, piano.
Wow.
Wow. Okay. So, ito po siya guys. Ito yung, ano natin, yung vacuum, robot vacuum cleaner. Yeedi.
This is the extraction.
Guys, super magulo kami guys. Kita mo naman. Okay.
This we have the extraction manual.
Okay guys, ito po yung manual guys. Ayan.
The manual of the vacuum.
Quick start guide. Ayan. Yeedi. Yeedi.
Mama, why there is one bigger one little? May uguali pa come quello.
Lahat ng mga ano guys, nandito yung mga instruction kung paano mo siya gamitin. Ayan, basahin nyo lang po ito dito, no? Nandito lahat. Tapos, ayan, install the edge brush, remove the protection materials, and for download the Yeedi app, you have to download the application guys. Yung, ito siya, Yeedi application yan.
There is the number 37.
Tapos, okay guys, ito po siya guys. Oh, ayan. Oh. Color. What is the color, Asya?
White.
Color white. Wow, meron siyang camera dito guys, you know.
Camera? What is the camera? You
The
can do
cam.
picture.
The cam.
If you
Since,
can do picture.
yeah, we can do that. And, ayan po siya, no? Super nice. Wow, super nice. Yes, sit on me.
Mama, we're gonna try it. Why we not in our supermarket?
Yeah, we're gonna try it.
Madam is not.
Michael, aspeta, Michael.
Why is this?
So, Michael, remove already, guys. This is the docking station. Ayan po.
No, that is the charger.
Yeah, docking station, the charger. Kung saan pupunta yung ano ito pag naubos na siya, pag ano yung baterya. Pabalik siya dito.
Mama.
And dito, i-charge. Meron naman po siyang ano dito guys. Ayan. Ito yung cord niya. Yung cord niya. Ayan.
The charger of this thing.
Ayan siya.
Ma, dov'è il telecomando, Mama?
Lagay ko na yan dito guys.
Mama, where is battery ko.
Wait, we gonna find it. Nakaano yan siya dyan. Okay, and the next one. Anak, wait, anak. Okay, let's show this one first. Let's show this one first. Okay. Ayan siya guys, how nice, no guys?
Mom, I have the wheels.
Yes, and dito po sa likod ay, ito po yung ano niya, may kulas ito, my God.
This is the
Wow, it's big yung ano niya guys. Yung ito, oh. Kakaiba siya dun sa una naming na ano, na yung
telecomando.
na review. Aswita, ayan din siya, you know. Wait, Michael, wait, Michael. Ayan. And, ito po yung...
Mama, the wheels.
Yes, that's when you turn, anak.
That is the worst one you do like that. And
And-
this is for cleaning.
Wait, anak.
What's this, that? We don't find the telecomando.
Ito po yung ano guys, yung
Cleaner.
side brush. Yan, yung side
Only
brush.
one. I thought there are two. It's very nice.
Na, wala. Ay siya.
That is for mopping or for cleaning?
For cleaning, for removing the
Where's
dust.
the mop wheel, you know?
Dopo. And ito daw yung map guys.
this
Okay,
is
later Michael.
when this is for you.
See.
You want for clean.
See, when you clean. Ito po yung ano guys, ito yung sabi ni Asia. This is the
Battery.
this,
Cleaning.
when you do the map. Ano siya guys? Robot vacuum cleaner, kasama na po yung map niya dito. Ayan. Ito po siya. Ito yung ayan.
What's that?
Lagyan mo siya ng
Mama,
water.
what's that?
You can put the water here. Aspita, Michael!
Water?
Yes.
My
Yes.
very little
You can
that.
put the water here, baby.
Mine's very little.
See? Wada?
Wow, Ma, where you gonna put that?
When you map na. Okay? When you map.
When you do, quando la mano ti fa male, quindi non vuoi map and you use this.
See? Brava.
Oh. Like that, quindi you put.
Yes, it's very easy. It's very easy. Wada? You just have to put like that and put like this. It's not complicated.
It's ow, the hands.
It's ow.
Look guys.
Okay.
That is the things for.
Ito po siya guys.
That is the things for go inside the dirtiness.
Kung gusto mo siyang linisan, ayun lang. Ganun lang siya guys. Oh.
The things inside the dirtiness like this is not more.
Dai, give me that, Michael.
Mariner.
It's very easy guys.
It's very, very easy.
Yes, it's really very easy.
We also... Mama, what is the battery?
The battery is there.
Dentro, ma si scarica. Puoi anche caricarlo. Look, it's doing like that, the wheels.
And we have to remove this, guys. We have to remove the
The microwave. The microwave, we have to remove. Wow! I don't know how you do it. How you know it?
Aswita.
Wow! La camera, please.
That's camera. Bravo, Michael.
Wow, what is
Aswita, let's show them. Let's show them first. Let's show them. Guys, they are very excited.
Wow,
Okay.
I don't know, there is something inside
Okay,
there.
let's open this one. How nice is this? Wow.
I want to ask you something.
Okay, let's remove this.
Mama,
Yes.
I want to ask you
Michael, sit
something.
down first.
I want to ask you something.
Mm.
What is this?
This one is the brush
The brush.
to clean the
Yes, that's what I mean.
wow, tingnan mo.
It's very hard to
Clean
remove.
the wheels, to clean the things, this one.
Wait.
Yes.
With that we have to use
Look how good
fast.
is. You just have to put like that.
I know.
What the? How nice. Guys.
It's more nice. Nice.
Di ba? And, ito po yung ano guys. Leave it, Michael.
I
There is
don't
the
know.
glass.
I don't know this open.
Yes.
No.
That's why we're doing it now. Because
And
we
why
don't
is
know what is
this?
inside.
But this is a instruction.
And this one, Michael is asking me what is this. This one.
That is an instruction. What to do, one?
This one is the dust is get inside here.
Yes,
Ayan, guys.
mas it's full. You can
That's
throw.
not-
You will throw away. It's full.
Yeah, when it's full, you have to throw away. So it's very easy. Look at
That's
here.
why there is this to throw away. So no, it's not explode. This is not
Yeah.
explode.
Yes, how clever is us, you know? Come on, guys.
Why is
Super
this?
easy. Tapos, guys, pwede nyo din itong i-clean
There
ito.
is the things for go inside the darkness.
The
Mama, what is this? That is quello che accendere. And this
Aspetta.
le batterie sono intelligenti.
Yes. you are. Aspetta. And this one, what is that?
This is for open the
Yes. Yes, right.
Open the camera.
This is the sensor. This is the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is there. And guys, oh, removing lang.
Wow! You can remove it.
This guys will works with ano guys, Alexa, Google Assistant at saka yung application nito guys, yung Yeedi application. Ayan po siya guys. So, tingnan nyo guys dito, ito po yung ano, yung on and off. Ayan siya guys, no? Tapos yun nga, open mo lang to dito, meron yung ano dito guys, yan. On mo yung ano dyan, ayun, may wifi, may, basta, dito na lahat guys. Tapos ito yung pang cleaning niya. And, meron din po siyang ano guys, kasi diba, pag tapos nating mag-cleaning, kung, for example, lalo na pag malaki yung bahay nyo, mas malaking tulong po talaga ito guys.
Mommy, what is this?
This one is for the map.
Map? What map is this?
You're gonna put it in here, Wada.
Well, Mama? Like this?
Ayan,
No,
guys.
Ma, this is not for map. This is for map. This is for a sugar.
Yes, to Ashoga, yung brava.
See, ay, tabi na. Todo sa pabukit ko sa mga para sugar.
Ayan siya guys, oh, ayan. Lagay mo siya dito guys. Lagay mo siya dyan, di ba?
Questo?
This is to change, to
change the statue now.
Ano?
How to change it?
You can just change it.
Wow!
You can just change it.
May
And
mo?
you can change it and put this one here. Hold on. You change and you change this one. Put.
Mas impossible. Why is not removing this?
No, you can remove. You can remove.
Wow!
And you change this one, guys. Ayan. So, itry natin to, guys. Ayan, itatry natin siya. Ayan siya. So, guys, kung gusto nyong bumili nito, ayan, ito, Yeedi Robot Vacuum Cleaner, ayan po siya. Tapos, makasave po kayo ng, kasi may promo sila ngayon guys, makasave kayo ng $80. The regular price is, ano guys, ito, $399.99. Kung ilagay natin siya sa piso, is like 399.99 times. For example lang ha, yung palitan ngayon ng dollar is 50. So for example, 50, it's like 19,999 pesos. Kung yung regular price, pero kung bibili kayo guys, tapos gamitin niyo yung ano, yung link nandito sa description, ayan siya guys. Tapos makasave kayo ng up to $100. So bali, for example, 399, bali 299 na lang po yung makuha niyo. It's 14,999 pesos. Yun. So, di ba, nakasave ka ng $100, 5,000 pesos. Ayan, guys. Gamitin nyo na ito promotional code na to, guys. Ayan po siya, guys. Ayan. Yan yung promotional code nila, guys. So, check the description box below. Ayan, dito po. Yan lang po yun. I-click nyo po yung description, guys. Available po siya sa Amazon. Ayan. Yeedi Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Si Yeedi. Yeedi Vacuum Cleaner. So guys, i-on po natin siya guys, no? Ito po yung on and off niya. I-on natin siya. Tapos, press lang natin to guys. Itong ano na to, yan. Kaya naka-on na yung wifi niya pala guys. And, i-connect na po natin siya dito sa... Wow, may sounds.
Scan the QR code on the robot to download the app and get
Download!
This is the QR code guys. Meron daw QR code guys. Sinabi. Ito po yung QR code niya. Yan. Yes. I have set aspeta. Ayan guys. I have set next. Inaayos ko yung ano guys ito. Ayan o. Yung isang phone ko. Preparation. I've heard the sound. Yes, I've heard the sounds. Generate the QR code. Ito po dahil pala yung sabi guys. Generate the QR code. Michael, quiet. Generate the QR code. Michael, get out. QR code. Ayan, guys. Oh. I've heard the QR code.
Guys.
Scan the QR code.
Guys.
So, ayan, guys. Let's start, guys. Ito po yung Yeedi Vacuum Cleaner. Yeedi Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Ayan. Guys. Ay. Remove that automatic cleaning. Nag-cleaning po siya dyan, guys. Ano? Yan, kinuha. Tingnan mo. Wala. Kunin na yung ano, may beer tayo, may beer, tsaka alcohol yan dyan sa gilid. Oh, tingnan nyo guys. Ay, nabira! Wow. Ang galing nito guys. Mas magaling siya nung una naming vacuum.
Mommy, go!
Wow.
Go! How nice is it?
Ito lang siya guys, oh. Ay, Col. Ayan. Ito lang yung gamit ko guys, auto cleaning. It's cleaning all guys. Wow. Get. Tas may bumper din siya guys, no? Ayan guys, pag mabangga-bangga siya doon ba guys, bumabalik siya guys. Ayan oh. May bumper. Asya, can you close the TV first? Make it lower. Wala, pumasok guys. Pumasok sa ano, pumasok sa... Oh, lumusot.
Touch it. Be done. Go to the side, please. Go to the side, please. Move away.
No, don't do that. Just leave it. Kung malubat siya guys, pupuntay.
Please go away. Stop.
Excuse me, Ray.
Traffico.
Ayan, kung malubat siya, pupunta siya diretso dito sa yung ano, docking ano, station.
Let's go again.
Guys, super ganda nitong vacuum na to guys. Ito Yeedi Vacuum, Robot Vacuum Cleaner. It's super convenient and maganda siya sa mga malalaking bahay, yung maraming mga space. Iiwan mo lang siya, lilinisin niya yan mag-isa. Tapos ngayon, itry po natin yung mop. Ayan. Let's try the mop. So the mop, it's just here lang naman guys. Ayan guys. Ito lang naman po yun guys. So hindi mo na talaga siya kailangan ng higinos. Ayan. Lagyan lang po natin ng tubig. Ayan. Sige, let's put water. And guys, nilagyan ko na po siya ng water. Ayan po.
Is close with this?
Yes, it was, you have to close here. Ayan.
Now, let's try to mop. Oh no.
It's okay, baby. Now, we can put
How
na.
mop this thing?
Let's see, because this is my first time as well using this. Ay, okay, we have to use this, guys.
Guys, for dry.
I think no, we have to use this one for mopping. No, that one is only the change. Look at guys, you just have to put here, guys, oh, attach. I forget out, I have the video, my God. Para magsasalita ang... Oh, guys! Itok. Yung sabi ni Michael, nagsasalita ito, guys. Every time na may ilagay ka, nagsasalita itong vacuum na to, sabi niya.
I can do the cleaner.
So, ayun na po siya, guys. Try na po natin siyang mop. Yan, sige. Wait. Guys, napalubat na siya guys. So, pupunta po siya diretso dyan sa charging base. Ayan. Tingnan mo guys, di ba? Magcha-charge siya automatically. Ayan. Ang galing guys. Super galing nitong map na to guys.
Charging.
Ayan.
Please remove the cleaning cloth.
Sabi niya guys, the robot vacuum cleaner is charging go. Please remove the cleaning cloth. Compatible with self-empty station. Compatible with Yeedi self-empty station let you upgrade your Yeedi Vac Max to a robot vacuum and mop self-empties and dustbin for up to 30 days. Smart visual mapping and navigation. Editable home map for easier control. So, pwede po kayong guys, yung kayo na po maglalagay kung saan nyo pwede siyang maglilinis. And, pwede nyo po siyang gamitin through voice control. Compatible with Amazon, Alexa, and Google Home. Ayan. And extended runtime guys is about a complete 200-minute runtime is perfect for cleaning a large house. Ayan. So, sabi dito guys, alisin po natin yung cleaning cloth kasi yun po yung sabi niya. Magsasalita po siya guys, no? Yung robot vacuum cleaner natin. And okay, let's remove this cloth. So, ayan po yung cleaning cloth natin guys, no? Ayan, lalabahan lang natin yan guys. Tapos, ano lang natin, pwede natin siyang i-reuse. Okay, guys, let's ask Michael and Asia. What can you say about this vacuum cleaner, baby?
It's very nice and I like and charging. It's very nice how we clean the wires. It's all clean.
It's
the
doing the
house.
floor.
Yes,
It's
all
cleaning
clean. Before it's very dirty, but now it's very clean.
Sabi ni Asia, guys, before.
I say starting and cleaning.
Starting charging. Start charging. Sabi ni Michael, guys, nagsasalita ako, start charging. So, what can you see this vacuum, baby?
Very nice.
It's really nice, guys. Wow! Na-amaze talaga ako, guys.
Very nice.
Yes. And,
Proceed. We got the question.
Ayan, thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you like this video, don't hold my hands because it's moving. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. No, that's not nice. Look at you. You have your nose things. Ciao, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Please use this code, guys, para makakuha kayo ng discount. Ayan, $100. Thank you. Ciao.